From the moment you organized the protest, how did you transition then from being a software engineer to doing more things with people? Like, how was that transition?
I think one thing which I realized that I had no idea
Yeah.
what I can do.
Okay.
Because before that, I always had this that I'm a software engineer or I'm a techie. So this is what I can do. These are the normal career path and so on.
Yeah.
And that opened up a huge set of possibilities that I can do anything. It's just about getting into the field and then learning what needs to be learned.
Yeah.
So that was where when I started the non-governmental organization,
Okay.
which was again in that space, helping a lot of other people who were fighting for something bigger than themselves, a cause.
Yeah.
And then I remember at one time I was leading 6 or 7 teams in different cities of India.
Wow.
And those teams were volunteer-driven teams, right? There was no salaries there.
Yeah.
And they were organizing projects or activities independently. So that gave me a very good experience of coaching, because if you are not giving salaries and people are volunteers, then you cannot demand from them.
You can't
right?
force
You
them.
cannot enforce
Yeah,
rules.
you don't have anything.
You have to be more coach-like. You have to be a very different kind of communication.
Yeah.
And also dealing with the challenges, because some of these societal work requires huge challenges or huge opportunities for growth for the people who are involved.
Yeah.
So that took me naturally down a path where my leadership suddenly changed.
Yeah.
And then I carried that to work as well.